Boys and girls, we have been working on the CH. Remember, the CH makes the ch sound, doesn't it? Like a train. Ch. We're going to be making words using that CH. You should have gotten your dry erase board, marker, and eraser to make these words. I am going to make them with my magnetic letters, and you're going to write alongside with me. Okay? Make sure that if you make a mistake, you correct it, okay? We don't want you to learn a word the wrong way because then it'll be harder to learn it the right way. All right? We're going to first start by saying the word chin slowly. Ch. What do you hear at the beginning? Write that. Ch. You hear that CH, right, boys and girls? Ch. In. What do you hear next? Ch. In. I. There's that I. Ch. In. N. You hear the N. This word is ch. In. Read that with me. Run your finger underneath your word and read it too. Chin. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to change the word chin to make a new word. We're going to make the word chip. Let's listen for that change. Ch-ip. Can you make that change for me? Chip. You should have taken away the N and replaced it with the letter P. Make sure that you've written P correctly. We don't want it to be a Q and to be backwards. Run your finger underneath your word and read it with me. Ch-ip. What's this word? Chip. All right, boys and girls, we're going to change chip, listen for the change, to make the word chap. Say that with me. Ch-ap. Where do you hear the change? You hear it right here. You don't hear the I anymore. What vowel do you hear? Can you write it on your line? Ch-a. There's the word chap, isn't it? Did you write that? Ch-ap. Chap. Okay, boys and girls, let's change the word chap to make the word ch-op. Chop. Where do you hear that change? Run your finger underneath your word to hear it. Ch-op. Do you hear the A anymore? Nope, erase the A. What vowel do you hear? Ch-ah. Can you write that letter? You should have heard the O, right? Run your finger underneath your word and read it with me. Ch-op. What's the word? Chop. Great job, boys and girls. Now we're going to make a bigger word. You're going to hear that CH, but the other letters need to change. We're going to make the word check. Now the word check has 5 letters. Can you figure that out and say that word slowly? Check. You should have taken away the O and the P. Think about that. What letter did you write? Did you write an E? Check. Now, what 2 letters make the k sound? We know it's a K, right? And we know it's a C. But does that look right? No. C goes in front of the K to make the k sound. Make sure that that's what you have. And if you don't, change it for me. Okay, let's run our finger underneath our word and read it together. Check. Great job. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to make one change to this word. We're going to change the word check to make the word chick. A baby chicken is a chick. Think about where you hear that change. Chick. You hear the change where the E is. You're taking the E away. What says I? You should have written an I. Let's run our finger underneath that word. Are you ready? Chick. Boys and girls, you are doing such a great job. We're going to do a little bit, we're going to do some different words. We're going to focus on the CH being not at the beginning anymore, but at the end. So let's take away or erase the I, the C, and the K. That CH, we're going to move to the end. Are you ready? All right, now we're going to make the word much. Say it slowly. Much. What do you hear? Can you write that? You hear an M, don't you? Umbrella bird. There's that U. Did you write this? Fix it if you didn't. Let's read it. Much. Much. Boys and girls, let's make one change. We're going to change the word much to make the word such. What are you going to do? Such. What do you need to take away? You're right, the M. What do you need to replace it with? Such. The S. Very good. Run your finger underneath this word and say it with me. Such. Such. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to make a little bit of a change. I want you to say this word with me. Itch. Itch. It's a 4-letter word. It's kind of tricky. Say it slowly. Itch. Do we hear an S? Nope, you should erase it. Do you hear an O? Nope, you should erase it. What do you hear? I. You hear an I, and honestly, that's what you hear, don't you? But we need a letter right here, and I'm going to tell you. We need to write a T. Can you write a T there? This word is itch. Itch. Run your finger underneath it. Itch. Good job. Okay, now we're going to add a letter to the beginning of the word to make a different word. We're going to add the letter P. Can you do that for me? Let's read this word. Are you ready? Itch. Pitch. You pitch a baseball or pitch a softball, right? Pitch. Now, we're going to change one letter for our last word. We're going to change pitch to make the word patch. Where do you hear that change? Patch. You're right. You need to take away the I. And what vowel do you hear? You hear an A, right? All right. Let's run our finger underneath this and read our last word. Patch. Boys and girls, you did such a great job today. Remember, knowing that CH helps us to read new words. Good readers always read their words slowly. Good writers always write their words slowly so they can hear all their sounds. Great job today.